we out here. I guess it's just starting. It's North Carolina Poly Fest. But it is just like everything else. Y'all know it started prior to this. And it started with... Bruh.
Talk about it.
I don't even know what to say about it, man. Here we are going on hour 12 for an 8-hour drive, y'all. We should have been there probably like 3 hours ago. How's it been for you, man?
It's been a horrible drive. Fucking horrible drive.
That's the only way we can really describe it, y'all. We had detour traffic in Florida. Usually takes 2.5 hours to get out of Florida. Yeah, it took 6 today. If that wasn't enough, then we just had random traffic. And then just out of nowhere, a hurricane in South Carolina. But check it out though, check it out.
Tulala! Nafo! Sauya!
So any trip to North Carolina. Look, y'all. Mike hooked it up.
Look at that.
Get it. Y'all come through. Bowberry biscuits. I'm telling y'all. Yes, so that's how the trip started, y'all. But you know, we out here, a lot of hiccups to get through, and we gonna keep it moving. Gonna link up with some folks from last year, put on an awesome show like you know we do. And yeah, just sit tight, hang out for the rest.
We'll dance our cares away.
Make them known.
So, tell everybody what you're doing today.
Flying competition.
Is this, which one?
The beginner.
Yeah, is it your first one? You excited?
My third one,
Your third one, Tokes?
I think. Yeah. I'm third in person.
Say honey. Johnny, tell everybody what you're gonna do.
Competition.
How many is this for you? Is this your first one? Are you excited? All right, smile. gotta bring out. You got my man's Rocco. You got Ivy. Get it. So yeah, they're gonna bring out some fire. Getting it. We're gonna continue the rest of this festival. Getting it.
Hey, you wanna get down? You can do that too.
Dance down there.
I know you guys are Polynesian. I want to hear it louder. To the left, when we took that turn, you better freeze.
Hana de atua vahine o ura tata iti e o pete au o na mau ura mai ni a tau anui e o ura tai te tau anui Ori Mahana, Ori Mahana,
Say hi, girls. We got a guest photographer out there. Mr. Mount.
I don't know.
Okay, guys. I'm gonna sing a lullaby. I'm gonna sing a lullaby. We've been getting worked, y'all. Getting worked. After all the hard work, and it's time to relax.
What's your sound?
Yes, indeed. I mean, look at all the smiling faces. The kids, I mean, the kids did such a good job, man. We couldn't have been more proud of them. They went out there, handled business, loved every second of it. And I mean, even, yo, got, you know, my mom with the grandkids. Oh, whew. Yeah, Mom, that's a lot of kids. So, you know, we about to clean up this Airbnb, pack everything back up, get on out of here. Next stop, y'all, Jacksonville, Florida. So one Jacksonville to the other Jacksonville. We're gonna hang out on this hammock till it's time to go, y'all. Till next time, you know, jump this button right here, subscribe, and I'm gonna be on this hammock chilling. Next time, y'all. Peace.